Hi guys, this is Moses again. I'm reporting to you from Tampa Bay. As you can see, the General Hospital is getting ready with this I don't know how you call it, water retaining walls that they are installing all around the building. It's a little windy, but that's not too bad. Something that I have noticed is that the tide is high today, and besides that, the water is higher than normal. The restaurant over there is closed, the American Social. There is nothing going on there. The boats over there by the convention center, they have been wrapped and protected against the wind that we might get, but we are more worried about the water, because it's going to rain a lot. So we're gonna have a lot of flooding in downtown. Alright, I will share with you more videos later, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye.